Cove Dishwasher Quick Start. Congratulations on your new Cove dishwasher. It will get your dirtiest dishes spotlessly clean and dry with no pre-rinsing needed. And like its kitchen companions Subzero and Wolf, it's built and tested for decades of exceptional performance. Before use. For softer models only, use the test strip provided to determine water hardness. Adjust the hardness level with the user settings. Then, fill the salt container. To access the softener salt compartment, pull the lower rack forward. Rotate the cover counterclockwise to remove. Prior to filling the salt container the first time, fill the container with water to activate the sensor. Fill the salt container. Then rotate the cover clockwise to secure. Run a light or quick cycle to remove any salt that may have spilled during the fill. Loading the dishwasher. Your Cove can accommodate at least a dozen place settings. Here are typical arrangements for each of the 3 racks. Top rack. Middle rack. Bottom rack. Wherever you see green, your Cove adjusts for maximum flexibility. The middle rack can be adjusted to 3 levels. First, pull the rack out. To lower the middle rack, lift the green adjustment tabs on each side and allow the rack to move downward to the desired location. The adjustment tabs are only utilized to move the rack down. To move the rack up, just lift up on the rack. You can also leave the middle rack at an angle. This allows you to leave a taller plate or cookie sheet on the bottom rack and on the opposite side, a taller stemware piece on the middle rack. Most tines can be adjusted to accommodate for a variety of dinnerware. For instance, delicate wine glasses. To adjust, pull the rack out. Push and rotate one or both of the green adjustment tabs to angle or lower the desired tines. Push and rotate tabs to the top position to raise the tines. Be sure the tabs find the slots to properly secure items. All racks in the dishwasher can be removed. The utensil basket at the front of the lower rack can also be removed. Adding detergent. The dispenser located on the interior of the door has 2 separate compartments, one for the dishwasher detergent and the other for rinse aid. Add dishwasher detergent to the compartment on the left, then slide the cover to close. To open the door, touch the green button on the side. To add rinse aid, lift the tab on the cover to the right to access the compartment. The rinse aid compartment is full when the indicator changes to the color of the rinse aid. Operating the dishwasher. The Cove dishwasher has over 200 possible combinations of cycles and options for any lifestyle or cooking style. But don't let that scare you. Most people find a few cycles they use most often. Auto cycle. The auto cycle has soil sensing technology. The auto level senses soiling level and adjusts water temperature and time accordingly. Normal cycle. The normal cycle is just fine for normally soiled dishes. Heavy cycle. Use this cycle for heavily soiled dishes with dried-on food. Quick cycle. The quick cycle reduces overall washing and drying time for lightly soiled dishes. Baked on lasagna? You may want to choose the heavy cycle. For lightly soiled dishes, the quick cycle may be just right. To set any of these 4 common cycles, touch the desired wash cycle, touch Start, then shut the door. To add an option to the wash cycle, such as Sani Rinse or Delay Start, first select the desired wash cycle, then press Options. Press Options multiple times to scroll through the cycle options. Press Enter to select the desired option, then continue to press Enter until the desired setting appears in the display. Press Start to initiate the cycle. Your Cove dishwasher has a 4-stage filter system, and the dishwasher will remind you every 30 cycles to clean the filters. To clean the filtration in your Cove dishwasher, start by removing the bottom rack. Rotate the green ring below the wash arm counterclockwise. Pull the wash arm up and out. Next, unscrew the green filter counterclockwise. Remove the entire stainless filter screen from the base. Rinse debris from all parts. Replace all parts in the opposite order you removed them. Be sure the clear rubber tube on the stainless filter screen is positioned in the back. Your Cove dishwasher should prove to be problem-free. But remember, if you ever need assistance, Cove has 24/7 customer support by the same people who support Subzero and Wolf in Madison, Wisconsin. Here's wishing you many years of sparkling dishes with your Cove dishwasher. Pots and pans cycle. The pots and pans cycle is best for heavily soiled pots, pans, and utensils with dried-on food. Soak and scrub cycle. This cycle provides intense cleaning power for the most heavily soiled dishes with baked-on or dried food. Light cycle. The light cycle is best used for lightly soiled items with easy-to-remove food. For this cycle, we recommend 1/2 the amount of detergent. China and crystal cycle. The China and crystal cycle is ideal for lightly soiled and temperature-sensitive items or cutlery. We recommend 1/4 the amount of detergent for this cycle. Rinse and hold cycle. The rinse and hold cycle rinses food soil off a partial load and holds the dishes in the dishwasher until you are ready to run a full load. Plastics cycle. The plastics cycle improves drying performance for plastics. We recommend 1/2 the amount of detergent for this cycle. Energy cycle. The energy cycle extends cycle time to reduce energy consumption while maintaining cleaning power. We recommend 1/2 the amount of detergent for this cycle. Extra quiet cycle. This cycle provides extra quiet performance. We only recommend this cycle for lightly soiled dishes. High temp wash cycle. This cycle is best for dishes with tough, baked-on food. High temp wash option. We recommend adding this option for dishes with tough, baked-on food. Sani rinse option. The Sani rinse option sanitizes dishes and glassware to meet NSF international standards. Extended dry option. The extended dry option increases drying fan time by 30 minutes. Extra dry option. The extra dry option increases water temperature and drying fan time by 30 minutes. Top rack only option. This option concentrates washing power on the middle and top racks only. Delay start option. This option allows you to delay the start of a cycle in 1-hour increments up to 12 hours. For example, if you set the delay start for 3 hours, the cycle will begin 3 hours after you press start and close the door.